Hello, my name is Brian Tracy, and today I would like to introduce you to my good friend Debbie Sardone, who is America's top cleaning business development expert. Debbie has created a step-by-step formula for business that is uncommon in the residential cleaning industry. Her unique approach emphasizes employee retention and elevated profits. Her cleaning business formula for success has helped hundreds of business owners worldwide get out of the field and double and triple their size of sales and revenues. Debbie is America's top cleaning business development expert. Her unique approach to ending excessive employee turnover has helped hundreds of business owners worldwide. Whether you are a cleaning business startup, or you want to build a bigger cleaning business, or you're still trying to get out of the field and double and triple your cleaning business success, then I recommend you learn from the best. I can think of no better cleaning business expert who can help you to achieve your goals than Debbie Sardone. To learn more about her Cleaning Business Fundamentals course, visit cleaningbusinessfundamentals.com. It may be the best business decision that you ever make.